The Dust Bowl by David Lopez. Back then in the 1930s, families had moved to the Midwest, and the times were good. There were plenty of rain, and there were lots of food. It was the good times, I tell ya. Really good times. By the mid-1930s, the farmers weren't using the land properly. They were overplanting, and they were using the same topsoil. They didn't even let the land rest. They just became, greedy. So anyway, thanks to the droughts, high erosions, there were more problems. The dust just kicked in. Giant dust storms kicked in, and there were no ordinary dust storms. It was an environmental disaster. America was going into the darkness, called the Dust Bowl. April 14th, 1939 was the worst day of them all. It was the day that no one would forget. It was called Black Sunday. The Dust Bowl caused 250,000 people to flee from the Midwest. The states included Oklahoma, Kansas, Colorado, New Mexico, and Texas. They left behind their homelands, belongings, and livestock. They mostly fled to California, Washington, and Oregon. Unfortunately, their new states weren't always very welcoming. Still, people were finding hope in their new lands. Or should I say homes. Anyway, some people didn't make it through the Dust Bowl because of a disease called dust pneumonia. It was a lung disease caused by inhaling dust. Let's just all hope that there'll be hope. Let's all hope. The farmers and the government learned a lot from the Dust Bowl about what not to do. The Nature Conservancy was created along with the series of farm bills to improve the topsoil erosion, reduce drought, and dust storms. New farming practices are designed to sustain natural resources and minimize the impact on the environment. As long as these things work, we won't have another Dust Bowl in the future.